guys, this is a HTML tutorial on Notepad. I know we have done this on Visual Studio, but today we are doing it on Notepad. So first is start up Notepad, win.r, press windows.r plus r actually, and write in Notepad. You will then press OK. This screen will pop up. So first we start with the basics. Add this tag HTML in the small ones and add the slash also after it and write the HTML again. The slash closes it, so don't forget to add the slash. Now we have to add the head. The the head adds all kind of the main has code which we do not see on the screen, but it does things. So we'll just add the head now. In the head, we can add the title, which shows on the tab actually. Tab, and the title. Let's create it on Spider-Man. I think the Spider-Man now. We can create it. You can do anything, but I'm doing for Spider-Man. And so here we have a code set up for now, and now write body. Here's the body adds, well, in the head I forgot to add the slash. Look, in the body actually in the body there's the main code which shows on the screen. So in the body we're going to write H1. H1 is the heading tag. I have already explained this, but I'm explaining it all again. And we're going to write Spider-Man here. Web head and that is Spider-Man. Here and slash H1 again. Close it. And here. Now, if you want to view the code, go to File and press Save. This will come here. Save it on the desktop so you can easily get it. Write the name first. You write what you wanted to name it. I'll write Spider-Man. Then add .html. Don't forget to add .html. If you don't add that, you can't do your code in it. So don't forget to add that. Now go to here. I have this right here. Just press it, and here we have Spider-Man. Simple enough. Now let's add an image of Spider-Man. So that is the image tag, img tag. Image src is equal to black two dots on the top. I don't know the name on it. And write the link of it. I'll get it from Google. That Spider-Man. And the search. You'll get a lot. You can go to the image. You'll get a lot of images. I'll just take an image. I'll take it. Go when you see it. Copy the image address. This is very important. If you don't copy the image address, you will not get it. So after you have copied it, so go back into here and in the src add press Ctrl V and you have it. Here and here we have it. Now it should show image, so just go to the file and save it and go to Google and reload it to see the image. Yeah, that's a big image. I'll just put it here like this so you guys can get it easily change. I'll change. You can also go in here, pixels. A pixel is one of the tiny little boxes on the screen. You won't be able to see it clearly, but if you look really closely, I will recommend that. But if you do, you will see tiny boxes. Those are pixels. Then just add the height to be, or let the height to be 1500 pixels, and save this and reload it, and it's and we can use this. It's not, we can use this. Now if you want it in the middle, we go to the body and give a space and write a line in here, and you can give it any line, left, right, just far. I'll give it as center, as center is what I want. Now just save this. Control, you can also use Control S, it's a shortcut key. I'll just reload this and we'll see that it's in the middle. I also want if I also want a background to it, I can also add that. Very easy. Just add BG color and these brackets, and I remember that inverted commas, and write the color which you want. RGB for me, I'll add the RGB colors. 234. I'm writing in random numbers right now. I don't know what I'm writing, but I'm thinking 123, 123. Okay, Control save it, and we have green. Does not fit this one, I think. We have to add a little more red though. 234, less green, 100 and blue. Save it again, and let's look at it. I think Control save. Control save it. Change. Okay, just remove the RGB, just add it there. It's easier. Oh, how to add this? I just Control save this and go to here. We have a red thing. I also want to add a link to the let's add the P is the tag which we use to add the P is the tag which we use to use. Okay. P is the tag which we use to add normal text in it. So now just write the creature Spider-Man. Spider-Man. And just adding this and go down and add H1 or H2 actually, add H2. The creator Spider-Man Stanley, if you don't know. Slash H2 and just save this. Save it. And we have this and let's look. The creator Spider-Man Stanley. Simple. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe.